name is Sofia and I'm applying for the 2020 VHS scholarship. The first VHS class I've ever taken was fall semester of this year, and when looking at the prompt, what project or activity inspired you the most and why, this could not have fit better for honors oceanography with Mrs. N. This was genuinely the best class I've ever taken in all of high school, so let's jump into what activity inspired me the most. Around week 13, Mrs. N assigned my class a TED Talk to watch from Robert Ballard, a man with many titles. He was a retired United States Navy SEAL officer, an oceanography professor at URI, a marine geologist, and even a geophysicist. I've always had a passion for physics, and seeing Bob as a geophysicist was an immediate eye-opener. Bob Ballard's main emphasis is why more people weren't exploring the oceans. It takes about 3 days to get to space, get to the moon. It takes about 2 hours to get to the bottom of the ocean. And he's like, why are people looking up? Why aren't they looking down? We have the resources we need here on Earth. And he just makes such a great point of why more money, why more education doesn't go into looking at our oceans. Something that was also shocking to me is that why wouldn't more scientists turn to the oceans for answers? What he's saying is
if you compare NASA's budget, annual budget to explore the heavens, that one-year budget would fund NOAA's budget to explore the oceans for 1,600 years.
And so much money is going into NASA and so little into NOAA, and he's just really fighting for that to be changed and for more people to look for the ocean for answers. And another amazing point he made is that his research, what he was looking into and what him and his crew were doing in the oceans, he was saying this wasn't in our textbooks. What he went to school for when he studied geology, that and versus what he went to the ocean and was looking into, what he discovered was not there. He and his crew were the founders of that, and so that's amazing to me that he was able to make a change and discover something that no one had discovered before. Drive he had to go do that is something that I will carry with me and I will remember. And I'm so grateful for this class and this TED Talk in general, because it has totally influenced how I will go into college and my major and my future career path. I will be attending Wheaton College next year in Massachusetts, and I can see myself studying oceanography, see myself studying geophysics for another 4 years and spending a lifetime in this career, and that would not be without my teacher, and that would not be without Bob's video.